Rexipets Dog Nail Grinder Clipper. Professional LED rechargeable electric pet nail trimmer. Painless paws grooming and smoothing. Quiet 2-speed motor 3 size ports for small, medium, large dogs and cats. Cordless dog nail clippers. Built with an advanced diamond bit grinder that delivers superior control and precision. Portable and lightweight design. LED light below the grinder shines on your pet's claw so you can see it better, preventing overgrinding or cutting. 2 speeds and 3 size ports. Advanced features allow you to easily file the claws of a large, medium or small pet. Designed with a low noise level of below 50 decibels and works with a gentle vibration. Comes with a USB charging cable that you can use with any computer, power bank or USB adapter plug. 4 hours of use with every charge. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.